This is our friend Andy. He owns a garment manufacturer called the Comfy Factory. The Comfy Factory produces the best yoga pants in the world. It has a producing capacity of 500,000 pieces a month and employs 2,000 employees. As the company grew, the production efficiency decreased and the defect rates increased. It got harder to react quickly to situations, as Andy was receiving production performance data one day after. He wanted to find a way to solve issues in his quality control line and optimize his production output. This is where Zilingo Factory comes in. Z Factory uses technology to make factory floors more efficient. Through an easy setup, the tool helps sort the defects and also generates production reports in real time. With Z Factory, Andy gets an immediate view on his production performance, which helps him increase the overall production efficiency. Zilingo Factory, making factories smarter, connected, and more efficient.